Hi everyone. So yesterday on your assignment, I told you that today I was going to go over those challenge problems that were at the bottom of the page. Um, I'm sure you noticed that a lot of them required higher level thinking than some of the stuff earlier in the assignment. And the reason for that is that many of these require either working backwards to find a missing component, like like knowing that the circumference of the circle is 422 and having to work backwards to find the radius using algebra, or composite shapes where they ask you to find the area of a shape, but you have to break it into smaller shapes. So we're just going to work through some of these together. I've already got this first one checked because I had already checked the answer on it. But the diameter of a circular hula hoop is 36 inches. Find the circumference of that hula hoop. So to get the formula for circumference, you're going to go to your formula sheet that I sent y'all yesterday. The circumference of a circle is either 2 pi r or pi d. So the r is radius, d is diameter. They gave us the diameter, so we're going to use this formula. Pi is 3.14, diameter is 36. If you multiply those two, you get 113.09. And it said to round to the nearest tenth. So that's the tenths place. The 9 is 5 or more, so it means we're going to raise that 0 to 1. So our answer was 113.1, which I checked. Okay, so on number 2, you have a circle has a circumference of 24 pi. What's the radius? Excuse me. So they've given us the circumference, so we're going to come back over here. They gave us the circumference is 24 pi. We know the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. So we can set 24 pi equal to 2 pi r because they both equal circumference, right? 24 pi equals 2 pi r. Since we are solving for r, we want to get rid of this 2 in the pi. So I divided that side by 2 pi. And so I'm dividing this side by 2 pi. The pi's on both sides cancel out. Those 2's cancel out. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 12 equals r. So our radius is 12. We know that. And that's correct. Now they want to know what the area of that same circle is. Okay, so let's come back over. Since we know the radius is 12, we just plug it into the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. Pi times 12 squared, the radius. 12 squared just means 12 times 12. That's 144. So our answer is 144 times pi. So there we go. And that is correct. So let's look at number 3. I think we can get one more done on this video. I'm going to have to do several videos for this because they can only be 5 minutes each. Skeeter's performance for the talent show will be jumping through a hoop. Skeeter requires a width of 18 inches, so his ears don't hit the hoop. So in other words, we have to have a diameter of 18 inches. Will a hoop with an inner circumference of 39.8 inches be large enough? So let's just find out what the circumference is that is required. Okay, so if circumference equals pi times diameter, and we know he needs at least an 18-inch diameter, 3.14 times 18, because circumference is pi times diameter, is 56.52. So 39.8 would not be big enough. It needs to be at least 56.52 circumference. Okay, so no. And that is correct. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now because I'm scared I'm going to run out of time if I try to do number 4 on this one. But if you have any questions about any of these, just give me a call, message me on Remind, email me, however you want to contact me. But just let me know and I can go more further detail on it. So I'm going to end this one and I will be back in a bit to do the others. Talk to you later. Bye.